Join me as I dive into the world of Alabama real estate and challenge myself to uncover the overlooked secrets that can maximize profit and potential on fixer-uppers. Fixer-upper properties in Alabama are often overlooked by real estate investors, but I'm here to tell you that they can offer a tremendous profit potential. With the right strategy, these diamonds in the rough can be transformed into stunning homes that sell for top dollar. One of the biggest misconceptions about fixer-uppers is that they're only for seasoned investors with deep pockets. But the truth is, anyone can get started with a fixer-upper, regardless of their experience level or budget. Of course, there are risks involved, like unexpected construction costs, difficulty finding the right tenants. But with the right mindset and a solid plan, these risks can be mitigated. Another misconception is that fixer-uppers are only worth flipping, but that's not always the case. In fact, many fixer-uppers can be rented out for a tidy sum each month, provided a steady stream of income. And if you're handy with tools, you can even do some of the renovation yourself, saving thousands of dollars in the process. Some people think fixer-uppers are only found in rundown neighborhoods, but that's not true either. You can find fixer-uppers in up-and-coming areas, in established neighborhoods, or even trendy parts of town. The key is to do your research and find the right property at the right price. Many investors also believe that fixer-uppers are only good for a quick flip. But the truth is, these properties can be a long-term wealth-building strategy. By holding on to a fixer-upper for a long haul, you can benefit from appreciation, tax benefits, and, as we said earlier, rental income. Alabama is an ideal location for fixer-upper investments. Thanks to its strong market trends, the state's population is growing rapidly, and with it, the demand for housing is skyrocketing. This means that there are plenty of potential buyers and renters out there, which translate to higher chances of selling or renting your fixer-upper property. Another reason Alabama is perfect for a fixer-upper is its affordability. Compared to other states, Alabama has a relatively low cost of living, which means that the property prices are lower too. This makes it easier to get started with a fixer-upper, even on a modest budget, and with the right renovations, you can increase the value of the property significantly, making it easier to sell or rent for a tidy sum. Local demand is another key factor that makes Alabama an attractive location for fixer-uppers. With several major universities, colleges, Alabama has a thriving student population that's always looking for affordable housing. And with the state's growing economy, there are plenty of young professionals and families looking for starter homes and rental properties. To recap, fixer-uppers in Alabama offer a tremendous profit potential thanks to the state's strong market trends, affordability, and local demand. By debunking common misconceptions and focusing on the right strategies, you can unlock the secrets to success in a lucrative real estate niche. Looking to find your next property? Reach out. Let's talk. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the fixer-uppers in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more real estate insights and success stories. See you in the next video, where we actually take a $17,000 house and show you how to turn it into a lucrative profit-making machine.